Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to retouch your images using the Picsart app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Picsart app, then go to the plus icon and choose the photo that you would like to edit. You can tap on the top corner and you can upload your images, and after you uploaded your images you can start using the retouch effect, which is here on the left side of the screen. And when you tap on it, as you can see, there are many different options for retouching your image. If you don't want to waste too much time with this, you can tap on the auto and it's going to fix everything that the artificial intelligence finds on your image, but you can go into the details and set everything for yourself. There are face settings, retouching, HDR portrait, you can make it smoother, you can remove eye bags, you can fix your face, you can fix your makeup, you can remove blemishes, you can relight your image, so you can change the lighting of the image. Skin tone, you can change your skin tone, you can remove wrinkles, you can change your hair color, you can add details. As you can see, I can change the hair color, make it more saturated, I can remove the amount or add more, and as you can see, it's pretty easy to use. Now let's go back. So hair color, details, eye color, teeth whiten, and reshape. So these are all the functions, and also red eye. These are all the functions that you can use to retouch your images. I think it's very useful and it's easy to use, so I would definitely recommend. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.